Welcome back. Afroz, summer आ गया है. It's such a short summer. और I have so many plans. August में रमजान शुरू हो जाएगा. So so many things to do.
Hey, listen, कितनी सारी चीजें होकर गई है और अभी होने भी वाली है.
Yep,
Hey, don't you remember वो Muslim Fest होने वाला था?
Yeah, I can't wait to go.
कौन सी तारीख को?
I think it was July 12th or something. Or
23rd and 24th. You're always bad with your memory.
I need to write that down on my calendar so that I don't miss it. पता July 12th को पहुंच जाओ.
लिख कर रखो और जाओ भी.
I will. And talking about Muslim Fest, we have here with us today Shoaib Muhammad, who's going to talk to us about Muslim Fest, tell us what it's all about. Welcome here, Shoaib.
Thank you, thank you. This year's Muslim Fest will be pretty grand, especially that we're having it outdoors, and the whole event is entirely free.
Wow.
So free.
Good for you.
I couldn't get the word any bigger.
Free.
And
She's so happy.
I'm very happy.
Yeah, and you should be so, because this year we're having the comedy festival, and that will be happening on Sunday, July the 24th.
Excellent.
And on July 24th, during the comedy show, we'll be featuring Ahmed from the Axis of Evil comedy
I know this
group.
guy is an excellent comedian.
Yeah, he's very good. And we also have the Fanatical group. It's basically three guys, Jewish Indian, Arab Christian,
Wow.
and an African American Muslim.
That's an interesting combination there.
That in itself as a tagline is an eye catcher.
Wow.
So we have the comedy festival. We have our film festival this year as well. We'll be featuring the movie Muslim
Okay.
and
So
Fortson.
this is IFA part 2.
This is IFA, the halal version part 2.
The halal
The
version.
halal version part 2. Yeah, absolutely.
I'm not looking.
Yeah, you're not looking, not left, not right, straight. Yep, and we're gonna have this year, for the very first time, we're gonna have a camel.
Wow.
And people are, you might be seeing billboards out there, ride a camel at Muslim Fest, that is us.
So you have one camel?
No.
And you have 18,000 people coming there?
Yep, so yeah, exactly. We have approximately 15 to
You're gonna have
18,000.
to wait in line. It's free, okay? What do you want?
Yeah.
Do what you have to, but don't let her climb the camel.
Yeah, yep. The camel is there. We're also having ponies.
Okay.
We're having our signature food festival where we feature food from around the world.
Oh, that's like great.
As well, this year we'll also be having Boston Pizza launch their halal menu.
Awesome.
So for those
Awesome.
of you who love Boston pizzas, come on over and check out their.
Or you just like food.
Oh, you just like food?
Yeah.
You have
Well,
desi food, you have Italian
Who doesn't
food.
like food?
Yes, who doesn't
And
like
you
food?
were telling us that actually this is the launch pad for Boston Pizza's halal menu.
Exactly. This
So
is
if people haven't really tasted Boston
Yep.
Pizza halal before,
Here's an opportunity.
Here's an opportunity to
Here's-
really come and taste
So
it.
शोएब ये फैमिली इवेंट है, हम सब फैमिली के साथ आएंगे. बच्चों के लिए क्या इंटरेस्ट है यहाँ?
बच्चों के लिए बहुत सारे inflatables है.
Wow.
And we'll also be featuring, as I mentioned, the camels as well as ponies.
Right.
So बच्चे तो बहुत मजा करेंगे. इसमें कोई सवाल नहीं है.
And it's all supervised, obviously.
It's all supervised, and we also have St. John's Ambulance Paramedic Services. खुदा ना खास्ता अगर किसी को कोई तकलीफ हो,
जी.
they're on site and immediate response to.
Excellent.
Or actually, Aisha, he didn't mention one thing which is very important for all of us. कि parking free है.
जी, पार्किंग अंडरग्राउंड फ्री है.
Underground free है.
अंडरग्राउंड भी है और स्क्वायर 1 भी है,
Entrance
लेकिन
free है, parking free
जी.
है.
तो
आप
यार,
बस
समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि आप लोग how can you
पैसे कैसे
afford
बना
this?
रहे हैं?
पैसे हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि पहले हमारी ये पायलट प्रोजेक्ट है, हम 8 साल से कर रहे हैं, लेकिन पहली दफ़ा हम लोग पूरा बाहर कर रहे हैं.
Okay.
हम लोग पहले क्या we used to do is do half of the event outdoors,
Okay.
half of the event indoors. This year we're going
It's
with a
all
whole
open.
new concept
Awesome.
where the entire event will be outdoors. तो अगर outdoors हो रहा है, so we would like to have get public feedback कि आपको मज़ा आए कि नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
और अगर आपको मज़ा आए, then इंशाल्लाह next year हम इससे भी grand scale में करेंगे.
That's awesome.
Inshallah.
कसम कर यही तो खूबसूरती है कि आप
जी.
outdoors enjoy करें.
Enjoy the sun on your skin.
जी, बिल्कुल.
और क्योंकि आउटडोर हो रहा है मेरे ख्याल से you will have water stations and
जी, वाटर स्टेशंस होंगे,
Soft drink stalls
सॉफ्ट
and
ड्रिंक्स
stuff,
स्टॉल्स, ये सब पार्ट ऑफ द फूड.
plus you may be having some canopies where people can just go and take some
छाँव वाली
shelter.
just
Yes,
shaded.
yes, जी, जी, वो
ये
भी है
शोएब,
और नमाज पढ़ने के लिए भी जगह है।
माशाअल्लाह।
नमाज पढ़ने के लिए भी जगह है। जोहर, असर, मगरिब, इशा सब टेंट के अंदर होंगे। सो तकरीबन 200 लोग एक साथ नमाज पढ़ सकते हैं।
माशाल्लाह, दैट्स अमेजिंग।
वेरी गुड।
शोएब, अब हमने एक
तो
बहुत जरूरी
ये-
बात नहीं
ऐसे-
डिस्कस की अभी।
जी।
वो मैं
ये
आई वांट टू
बताओ।
गो टू ओके।
नहीं, आई वांट टू आस्क यू, ही जस्ट मेंशन्ड गेम्स, तुम्हारी
जी।
बेस्ट गेम क्या है इन्फ्लेटेबल्स में?
इज देयर एज लिमिट ऑन दोस?
एज लिमिट तो है। ये सब हमारे वेबसाइट में रहेंगे।
हाइट लिमिट तो नहीं है ना?
क्योंकि आई माइट जस्ट स्नीक ऑन टू वन ऑफ दोस।
जी।
धक्का दे किसी बच्चे को।
जी बिल्कुल। और अगर आई डोंट थिंक यू शुड हैव अ प्रॉब्लम।
Awesome.
I don't think
Yeah.
you should
Great,
have a
I'll be
problem.
there.
इंशाअल्लाह।
नहीं, मैं बात करना चाहती हूँ, आप एक बहुत मुख्तलिफ किस्म की चीज करने लगे
जी।
हैं, मुशायरा,
जी
जो हमने नहीं कभी सुना कि इस किस्म के
जी।
फेस्टिवल्स पे।
हमने पहली दफ़ा लास्ट ईयर शुरू की थी ये उर्दू पोएट्री नाइट, जिसे मुशायरा नाइट, और इट वाज वेरी 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 ट्रेमेंडसली सक्सेसफुल।
Awesome.
Very nice.
एंड तकरीबन 150 से 200 लोग आए और they've enjoyed this event.
So you had local performers for the mushaira?
Yes, we did. We had
Acha.
local performers.
Local poets and
Local poets,
shairis.
and people just did not want to leave the
Mashallah,
mushaira.
that's very nice.
I mean, actually, हमारे program 1.5 घंटा और extend हुआ because of
लोगों
mushaira
को
night.
निकालना पड़ा बाहर।
क्या करें? तो इस बार इंशाल्लाह this time we're bringing it back forward, and I hope from previous successes इस बार भी इंशाल्लाह
So
success।
Shoaib,
तो अब इतनी सारी एक्टिविटीज हैं तो भूख तो लगेगी, तो खाना वाना है या?
जी,
ओ,
खाना
खाना
तो
तो जबरदस्त है ना,
हाँ,
Boston
खाना फ्रॉम
pizza,
अराउंड द
just
वर्ल्ड है।
mentioned, yeah.
और खाना तो आपको मेपल लॉज की खाना है, और मेपल लॉज के बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है ज़बिया हलाल के। और अगर अगर किसी को ट्राई करना है, आई वुड डेफिनेटली से फर्स्ट गो टू मेपल लॉज फार्म्स। Their salsa chicken burgers are to die for.
ओह,
मुझे अभी से भूख लगनी शुरू हो गई है सुन
जी।
के।
वैसे ही 9 बज रहे हैं,
I
मुझे
know.
अभी भूख लग रही है।
शोएब, ये बताएं कि इट्स बहुत बड़ी स्केल पे
जी।
आप कर रहे हैं।
जी।
कब से शुरू कर दिया होगा काम करना इस पे? कितने किस किस्म का काम और कितना टाइम मैनेजमेंट? और
मैंने खुद I've been part of Muslim Fest for the last 4 years approximately. I'm the director of operations for the last 2 years, and Muslim Fest चल रहा है for the last, this is our 8th year.
वाओ,
Wow.
So Alhamdulillah, we have surpassed a lot of milestones,
Right.
and we've gotten community appreciation and community feedback कि आपको इस तरह करना चाहिए, अगर इस
बिल्कुल।
तरह
Make
करेंगे
it better and better.
it'll get better and better. So Alhamdulillah, we just hope कि inshallah this year with Junaid Jamshed coming in, we have the film festivals, we have the comedy show,
Ahmad.
Ahmed. It
So
will be.
We are all looking forward to being
I
there,
am
and I'm sure our viewers are going to come and
You
join.
need to tell them how
on
to.
the 23rd
Yeah.
and on the 24th of July. The Muslim Fest is taking place in Mississauga. Shoaib, if our
Mississauga
viewers-
Celebration Square.
Celebration.
Yeah.
But if our viewers want to get some more information, what is
Yes.
the website they could log on to?
Muslimfest.com. It's very easy. We even have our trailer up there. So for those of you YouTube fans, just type in Muslim Fest 2011 and you should be able to see our promo ad in there. And but Muslimfest.com. Any questions, any concerns, feedback, it's all there. All the contact
that's
तो
information.
दोस्तों, और इसके बारे में मज़ीद मालूमात करने के लिए आप प्लीज़ लॉग ऑन कीजिए www.muslimfest.com. Shoaib, it was lovely having you
It
over
was
this
really
evening
good
on our
talking to
show.
you.
Thank you,
And
thank you.
You know what? We really wish you all the best for this Muslim Fest,
Dua
and
kare,
many
inshallah.
more to come through.
And we'll see you then.
We will
Yes,
see
you
At the
will.
festival, you'll be
Yes,
there?
you will.
And
yes,
make sure
you
the
will.
camel is free for her.
Yeah.
Yes,
Keep
I'll-
it ready.
I'll try to get a hathi too, but it's very short notice.
Aw,
because
man.
because
It's my favorite animal.
Exactly.
So
I think.
Shoaib, we're looking forward to it. I'm sure everybody else is too, because
Yeah.
this is the beauty of the summer.
Yes, absolutely.
To go
तो
out with
दोस्तों,
the
बाहर
family.
निकलो अपने घर के और मुस्लिम फेस्ट जाओ और एंजॉय करो इस
And
Make
this
it
is
a success.
And this is the largest event in North America, Muslim Fest, especially in Canada. There is no comparison to Muslim Fest that is out there.
Let's make
ओके
it.
दोस्तों, आप कहीं जाइएगा नहीं, हम आपके बिल्कुल चहीते सेगमेंट को लेकर आ रहे हैं, जो है शादी का सेगमेंट।
Oh, wow.
थोड़ी देर के बाद you and I will be there again.
I'm
We're just
excited.
taking a छोटा सा नन्हा सा break again. Thank you.